Hey guys, 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 here with the email processing system training. And I'm going to show you quickly how to take the pre-written ads that we have here and get out and start promoting and get out of your comfort zone. A lot of people like to take the ads and make them their own. That's fine. Let me show you a quick way to do that. So what you do is this picture that you see here is actually one of the ads that is in the ads, the pre-written ads that you get, or the training that you actually get. It's already in there. Okay, if you came in at the $50 level or higher, it's already in there. All right, so with the $25 level you do get training, but the $50 level you get a lot of stuff. Okay, so this is already in there, payment proof. So what all I did was I took that, came into this free site canva.com, put it in here. I went to elements, frames, and I picked a circle. Okay, you could pick whatever shape you want, but I picked a circle, elements, frames, and I picked a circle. Alright, so I picked something like that, and then let's just do it together. So I'll delete this so that you can see how to do it. So let's say I picked, hold on, I'm having a little bit of technical difficulties today. Alright, let's find a circle. Okay, circle, boom. Drag that there. I'm just going to resize this. And I've already uploaded over here where it says uploads. I've uploaded a picture of myself. I go ahead and slap that on top of that. Hold on. It's kind of hard. You got to do it. Okay, boom. Drag it into the circle and boom, there's a picture of me. Then I just rotate it a little bit. I'll make it just a little bit smaller. And boom, I have an ad right there. Okay? I can hit download and it will download to my folder. Now let me show you how quick it's going to be for me to advertise using a system that I have. Okay, you can do this manually to 15 groups or more a day, but I ain't got time for that. Personally, I work all day with kids and I come home exhausted. So I use this system. It's called OptoSweet. Yeah, this one. So what I'm gonna do is go to in this system, and you can do this manually, just posting 15 groups a day, 15 work at home groups, typically that have, I would say, 15 to 20,000 people or more. What I'm gonna do, I've already set up in OptoSweet. If you go down here where it says it's been a minute. If you go to where it says post and schedule, where it says group categories, I've already set up my groups. So I have my 15 work at home groups for like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and 15 work at home groups, and you just kind of set them up, and you just do that in OptoSweet. Okay, I'm not going to get into that, but what I am doing, I'm going to upload the image that I just downloaded. I can find it. I don't think it's in this folder. I think it's in this folder. Maybe it's not in this folder. Hold on. Downloads. Oh, there it is. Okay. So that's not it. That's not it. There it is. Okay. So I've uploaded the picture. Now, what I've done, and you should do the same, is I've taken the pre-written ads that they give you in EPS, and I just kind of took some of them and made them my own. You don't have to, though. You can cut and paste right in. So I said, like, who's ready for the $100 a day blueprint? Start getting $25 to $100 payments today. And then I just put my website. So I'm going to copy that. This is how simple. Like, keep it simple. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select groups because I want this to post to groups. I'm going to paste this. Okay. Posting delay, I'm gonna select, I want at least 3 minutes between every post, just so it doesn't seem like I'm posting too fast. And I know that seems a little slow to do, but that's what I want. And then I have to select a group, so I'm gonna select my PM 15 groups, because it is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Again, I've already set these up. Boom. Let me just make sure it's selected. Yes, so it did select, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit post. Oh wait, hold on. Posting. Wait, what? Okay, something's not right with this today, because normally it works. So I'm gonna remove the picture, and I'm just gonna post a question. So, and that works just as well, because I've done that before. I'm gonna say, who wants to be a virtual work-at-home agent? Pays $25 plus an hour. Comment me below for details. Okay. A lot of people forget that text ads. Let me find some emoji. There's this site I like. It's called 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐨𝐽𝐿. And people forget that text ads work. Actually, they work better than picture ads a lot of times, unless you're posting picture proof. But even then, as long as you're not. Sometimes people post too much stuff. They post a whole bunch of stuff, which nobody gonna read through all that. Actually, after advertising shows that after the first sentence or two, people don't read all the rest of that stuff. They just don't. So people be posting all that garbage for no reason. So keep your ads short and simple. And I'll come back and show you some proof, just to show you. Actually, you know what? I'll show you some proof today. Actually. Give me a second and I'll log into my Facebook and I'll show you some of my saved posts. I actually have a Facebook course that I'll give to you guys if you want to see that. So you can see that text ads actually work better than anything. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and let that post to my groups. Boom. Alright, it's posting. Alright, so let me go in and show you what I'm talking about. Let's go back to Facebook. This is why OptoSweet is doing what it does. I'm gonna go into, oh, there's my post. Who wants to be a virtual work at sea is posting for me in these work at home groups already. Who wants to be a virtual work at home agent? Post pays $25 an hour. Comment me below for details. Boom, done. Alright, what you should do is when you post, like your own post, and then say comment below for details. Or whatever you want them to do. If you want them to go to your website, say that too. But comment below for details. And then like that too. What's that going to do is boost your post. Alright, done. Alright, so let me show you what I was talking about how effective ads can be. So let me find my course where I showed people how effective text ads can be. So that's a picture ad. I don't know if I really saved any ones. Let me go back. Give me a second. It's been a minute. can't find any right now, but I'll just give you an example. So I posted, let me see if I can find one. Okay, like this is a decent example. So I just posted, you know, why wait 2 weeks to get paid from your job, and I posted the same image that I was showing you that I was creating. I said, you know, I didn't give them too many details, just said get paid directly daily, 3 spots available, comment I want in. That's it. Like sometimes, like I said, people be posting all this stuff and nobody reads beyond like the second or third line. Like they just don't. I'll give you one more example just so you can see. This one was really hot. Let me see if I can find it. Where is my... Okay, this one. So all I did, let me see if I can find another one where I just posted up. So again, all these ads that you see, I made in Canva. Okay, so all I did was this picture is so ugly, but that's not what I wanted to show you. Hold on, I'm sorry. Let's do this one. Hold on, guys. I'm having technical difficulties right now. Hold on. I don't know why I can't find anything today. This is so crazy. Okay, this is a... Oh, I think I might have just found it. See this one? Yeah, okay. So this ugly picture I made in Canva. Just like I showed you how to do before. All I did was put an arrow in there. I wrote paid and I put some proof. So as you get payments, you know, this is the easy way. I said, want to make $100 a day, comment 100. Simple question. Simple question. Want to make $100 a day? Comment 100. Or want to make $50 a day? Comment 50. And I just put a picture, some proof, and a picture of myself, just like I just showed you how to do in Canva. And that's it. And I posted that. And you could do the same thing and post that in multiple groups. It does. Look at all these comments. You know how many people commented? 100. I had so many leads that day from, actually I'm going to redo this one for EPS. Because this was like so wonderful, and you don't have to use your own proof. You're not claiming proof of your own. You can use proof from our group, and or proof that are in the ads, and post it. Okay, slap a picture of yourself on there. Why do you slap a picture of yourself on any picture that you advertise? Because it lets people. You know, advertising by itself is just advertising, but advertising with a person on it they can relate to. Okay? And then that's it. You know, once a person connects with you, get them plugged into our proof group. We have a proof group. Get them plugged into that proof group, and then they could continue to see that this works. Alright? Because it truly, truly does. And this is actually my real proof. This is my actual PayPal. Alright? That's it. I just want you guys to know that it's simple. Alright? Bye guys.